For this in the kitchen video, we're going to be making a kind of appetizer kind of thing for parties, barbecues, family reunions, things like that. These are bacon, cheese, ranch roll-ups. You're going to need, for the recipe that I'm using, I'm doubling it. So I'm going to tell you the doubled ingredients so you can do a half of this. You're going to need 16 burritos, flour tortillas, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 6 tablespoons of buttermilk ranch or regular ranch, light ranch if you want. You're going to need 4 cream cheese blocks. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of chopped chives. You're going to need 6 tablespoons of real bacon bits. We're going to start by dumping all of our ingredients into a mixing bowl. You're also going to need your mixer for this. Side note, you're going to want to let your cream cheese start to soften on the countertop for at least an hour before the mixing process. While off camera, I use the mixer to blend all of my ingredients together. Now, the ingredients are ready to spread into the flour tortillas. You're going to take 2 to 3 tablespoons of your mixture and spread it all over the tortilla. Now, next what you're going to do is you're going to want to roll these kind of tightly. Look like this now. Now what you're going to want to do is start lining them up on a baking sheet, because before slicing them, we're going to stick them in the refrigerator for an hour. I completed all the roll-ups. These are going to go in the refrigerator for 1 hour, like I stated earlier. And then we'll get them out and we slice them up and put them in the container that we're going to take them to the party. Now the last and final thing you need to do is, after they've been in the refrigerator for an hour plus, is slice them up and put them in the pan that you're going to serve them in. Also, these edges can be discarded or put aside to eat, because they're not going to be as pretty. And you're going to want to slice these in 5 to 6 pieces. And you can garnish these on top with some green onions or the chopped up chives, basically. And they're pretty already though, without doing that.